Hey, what's up, guys? This is over here. Welcome back to another video. Today, we're going to be talking about setting up your website and ranks. So, first off, we're gonna get started by going to Engine. Why Engine? I'll tell you. By the way, go to the Engine Minecraft Guild hosting. And why Engine, you may ask? Basically, gives you some cool features. You make a website for free. It's like a beginner website. It's cool. It gives you a website, literally for free. And yeah, and it gives you a lot of cool features, despite the fact being a free, user. So let's name it YouTube. We created a website, and you have to register. By the way, of course, it's taken. Is that taken? Oh, it's not. Okay. So let's create our own website. And yeah, welcome to our website. So they can help you out a lot, honestly, but I'll go with you through the features. So you wanna add your server, but I'm going to be downloading the plugin first. Here we go. It takes you to this page. You click on download, and you literally download it automatic. Okay, so now once you download it, all what you have to do is basically take it from here, put it in your server, and get it running. Some basic stuff. You should know this by now. It's in here. Start up your server. Okay, so while my server is starting up, we should do some stuff, and I'll tell you about some cool features. So you have the users, for example, but I'm not going to be talking about users. I'm going to be talking about your modules. Okay, so yeah, so since you added this, we'll set up the plugin in game later on. But since you're an admin, you can just go to the admin and scroll dashboard, users, modules, pages, stuff like that. Okay. Okay, so now we're in engine. Let's set up our donation craft. I open modules, scroll down, scroll down. You'll find the donation craft server store. Just wanna click it, and yeah, we're in our donation store. Okay, so let's explain this quickly. So you wanna add a category. What kind of categories you may have? So I added ranks here. A description, you can type by rank, for example, and you can change a shop icon. Feel free to play with it, dirt, anything. As a category, you can add a subcategory if you want to, but I'm not going to be adding it. And you can add an item. You either add a normal item or a recurring subscription, so like $5 per month, for example, and you add an item. Yeah, now we can add our item. So I talked about ranks. I said I used to have like VIP, VIP plus stuff like that. So let's add in VIP, and its price 5, 10. Feel free. It's all up to you. You can add the expiries in. So what does it do? It's like expiry date for your rank, for example. So if you add it for 365 days, the rank will expire in 1 year. But if you leave it on zero, this feature is turned off. But feel free to play with it. Okay, so now we have a description. So what kind of description can you add? So it basically tells you here describe this item, and you have an in-game description. So I'm going to be starting off with the in-game description. So what can you add here? You basically tell the user in bullet points or dashes what does this rank contain. So for example, ability to set 3 homes, uh, ability to use slash repair every 12 hours. What else can we add? Access to slash WB and slash EC, workbench, and ender chest. That's an example. You can add more, of course, it's all up to you and your server. And yeah, you choose the category you want this rank to be in, either ranks or shop. Make it on ranks. And they have engine has a really cool feature. I honestly like it. This is a launch item designer. So let's explain it. So you have a background which is the background, and you have the graphics. So let me choose the background quickly. Let's go with this one. And you select the main graphic. So you have a lot. You can feel free to choose whatever you want. So let's just say I add this, for example. This is like this is the rank name, bottom text. You can type in here VIP. That's my rank. The text color, change it freely. Uh, let's make it black. Oh, too bad. Okay, green is good. Choose the font and text stroke. You see the black around the VIP. Let's make it blue, for example. See? And yeah, so let's make it black again and use the image. So it looks pretty cool. You can add an in-game shop icon, so feel free to play with it. I used to have like a call for VIP, iron for VIP plus, gold for MVP, diamond for MVP plus. That's an example to make it look fancy, you know. Okay, so let's scroll down. You can play with this. You can feel free to read through it, but I usually go with enable user to select quantity on item, and yeah, that's basically it. Oh, and I require the customer to enter their name, email, and stuff like that, just for security. Yeah. Okay, so let's scroll down. We want to use server commands, but I don't have it set up yet. So once we set it up, and we will set it up right now, we'll be back and tell you what to do. So yeah, let's set up the plugin. Okay, so now let's set it up in game. So you go to Minecraft, you go to settings. Oh, you go to servers. My bad. You click on add server. You type in the server name. Let's make it YouTube tutorial. Okay, I'll be deleting this, so yes, I'm showing you my secret key, but I will delete it. So you copy the secret key, you go to your either in-game or config. So if you're in-game, you type in here slash engine key and paste it. I'm in config, let's type in here engine key and paste it. And yep, here we go. Checking if key is valid. Yep, server has been linked successfully. The key has been validated, blah blah blah. So now when we restart, so if I click on setup store, here is our store. We didn't have remember this feature, like when you scroll down. Here we go. This is the command that will be running when it's purchased the rank, you know. So this is like this is when he purchase, expiry, chargeback, refund. We want it on purchase. So it shows you here like an example. So yeah, so I'll explain it quickly. What am I going to be adding? So we want to add the permission to the group, for example, VIP. So how do you do this? I'll show you the command on screen. Type in here LP user and this curly bracket, the name of the user, parent add VIP, or you can make it to set. But I explained in a previous video, if you make it to set and he's a moderator, for example, it's going to take his mod rank away and set it to VIP. You see? So we want it to be add VIP, not set VIP. And what else can you add? This is literally in game, but instead of the player name, you type the curly bracket name and stuff like that. So remember when we had grief prevention added in my server? I used to like add 2000 claim blocks. So player gains 2000 claim blocks, for example, when he purchases it. So how do I do that? So it was like adjust claim blocks, the player name, and the amount of blocks. So 2000. And yeah, that's basically it. I'm not sure if the command is correct though. So yeah, I'm not going to be adding it, delete. But this is the main thing that we're looking for. And yeah, so now once we add it, we're done. So, okay, what else do we have? Let's talk about the pages. I want to talk about the pages. So, this is like the home page. I'm not going to be talking about it. I'm going to be talking about the forums. So let's open our forums, and you can check live on the website between this and this and this, you see. So let's go to the forums, and what do we have? General discussion, gaming, news and announcements, site suggestions. Not bad, but let's add some stuff. So this is the community tab. I want the website to be above because it's important. And let's add some stuff. Okay, so let's create a forum. What else? What do we have? Staff application. That's interesting. So apply for staff here. Okay, so this is enabling some stuff to the user. To be honest, I usually don't mess with it that much, but if you want to disable like polls, email notifications, stuff like that, feel free. So who can view this thing? So you can make it to administrators, all on registered and untagged. So I leave it on all. You know, this is a staff application. Anyone can view this. Who can post? Make it registered. You don't want an unregistered user. Someone may spam you, you know. You don't want an unregistered user to put it, and you don't want administrators only to put it as well. So you leave it on registered user since this is staff application. If it's a different forum, it will need different stuff. And the basic moderation, who can moderate threads, make it on admin. Advanced forum moderation, admin. Who can start thread access. So we make it on registered user. And yeah, so now let's create our forum. And beneath that sub forum, you can add, wait, I'll show you how you do it. You know, in staff application, you can have an accepted and declined tab inside of the forum itself. So I'll explain it in a second. So here is staff application. You may have here accepted and declined. So let's do this. So this is the accepted and accepted staff. Okay, so this will have different needs. Everyone can view this, but no one can post inside of it because you don't want someone to post in it. So make it administrators only, or you can remove. No one can post. Oh, you can't remove. Okay, thank you for. Okay, so who can moderate? Admins. Admins. Who can start thread access? No one. Admins only. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Upload access, admins. Anything is admins except the view. Okay, so now let's create this. So let me refresh. So as you can see, it's not in here, but why is it not in here? Let's go back to community and it's here. So what is the problem? The problem is that it's not a sub forum. So how do you do this? You click on here, edit, and make child. And you have to make sure that you have to make sure that the forum that you want to make a sub forum is below the main forum. It may be a little bit complicated, but if I want, for example, a staff application to be a sub forum to gaming, so what do? I go to gaming, I go make child. Oh, oops, make parent, and I click on this, make child. So now gaming and staff application and accepted staff application and accepted are now sub forums. So let's go back, refresh. Let's go back to community. Let's open gaming. You have staff application and accepted. If you want to undo this change, it's easy. You just type in here make parent and make this a parent and then make this a child. Here we go. Now it's back. And you can add declined. Oopsie. You can add declined and follow the same stuff. So yeah, that's the basic idea on how to set up your forum. So let's go to themes. This is the final thing I'm going to be talking about. You can make your own layout, but I honestly have no idea how. But you can feel free to scroll, choose one that you like, and yeah. So let's use this one. It looks good, red and black. Yep. Hey, it literally showed Joe Biden, dude. Okay, so let's refresh, and oh, it honestly looks great. And yeah, so now that we added this stuff, let's add one more thing. Okay, so the final thing we're going to be talking about is pages. So let me give you an example. So you have, for example, chat. That's my opinion. So you have chat, for example. Like, who the hell is gonna use this website chat? Like, you have Discord running, and it's 20 times better, you know? No offense, Engine, but no one's gonna use it, dude. So you open pages, you go to page list, and here's a list of pages. So we have homes, gallery, stuff like that, and gallery as well. Who uses a gallery on an engine website? Maybe some may use it, but not in a Minecraft. Okay, so you can either edit it, but I'm going to be deleting it, so let's delete it. And you can add a page as well, but I'm not going to be adding one. And you can edit some stuff, so contact if you want a player to reach you. Yeah. So wait a second. So this is the general form. You just feel free to fill it out and stuff like that. Yeah, that's basically it. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.